If you could sum up the Impressions Expo in like a couple words, like what do you think about it?
I would say, in how many words? Let me get 4.
3. Okay, 4. You get 4. All right. 4 words. 4 words. Do it.
A lot of shirts.
A lot of. Dude, and then you got all the freebies too.
I did. I was having a field day with the freebies and everything.
That was funny. For those of you guys listening, every time we would stop at a booth that had a freebie, we'd be ready to leave. Oh, wait, hold on. Wait for Chris. He's getting his shirt. Chris was getting all the freebies.
I was, because there was like so many different processes that I've never seen before.
Yeah.
And also like the different blanks and everything. So
have you worn any of them yet?
I have.
How do they feel?
Yeah. I like the one by AS Color.
Oh, yeah. Their stuff is good.
Super comfy and everything.
Yeah. I love their hat.
Yeah, I actually saw the hat that you were wearing. Super breathable and everything.
Yep.
Have you have you worn it a lot? Have you given a good wear? Did you break it
No,
in
not
yet?
a solid wear
Mhm.
just yet, because it's a cool color, but I don't have a lot of things in that color. So
Yeah, I see.
oh, it has to match, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Definitely, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So so like Impressions Expo, overwhelming.
Mm-hmm.
How does that compare to like when you first started? You went onto the website and you're like, dude, this is a lot of like, was it? Obviously, Impressions is way more overwhelming than our site, but
Yeah, definitely.
was there a feeling of like being overwhelmed, like when you started like looking into the products we carry after you started working here?
I think after comparing it to the Impressions Expo, it's like such a small, like tiny world
Yeah.
inside
Yeah.
the big industry.
Yep.
So it's like, it kind of like eases me, because I'm like, okay, at least I don't have to know all this other like stuff, right?
Yeah.
So it kind of like makes it like learnable for me.
Yeah.
Like it's like a tower that just like got a little bit smaller.